Are we going?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a Range Rover Sport. This has the body off if you want to demonstrate for our viewers at home here, Gordon. But the fault we're actually going to discuss here is the electric handbrake module. You don't have to take the body off to repair this fault, but for the purposes of our video and demonstrating what's going on, it's better that we talk about it with the body off so that you can see what's going on. So this is the unit here. This is basically the mechanical equivalent of a real estate agent. It's an electric motor that then operates the cables, one out each side, that go to the rear brakes. They're common for a crazy noise where it goes doot, 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 or they just lock on, and then obviously you can't go anywhere. So if they lock on, just get a pair of bolt cutters and cut the cables down here. As soon as that's cut, your handbrake will release. Obviously your handbrake won't work anymore, so a pair of bolt cutters. The way to get this out is you're going to pull apart the rear brakes and undo the cable from the brakes. You drop the spare wheel and then you stick your hands up through here because you're obviously underneath. Unbolt this. There's three, I think it's 3 or is it 4 10 mils? Sorry. There's a bunch of 10 mils here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these ones. And then you can slide this out the spare wheel well. There's enough room between the body and with the spare wheel out for it to go out that way. So it makes a lot more sense here if you're looking at it. There's obviously an electric multi-plug here, but you don't need to have the vehicle at this stage with the body off to do it.